Strokestown Park House is an example of a Palladian style house. It dates from the 1730s. It was designed by Richard Castell. In 1819, Thomas Mahon, 2nd Baron Hartland, inherited the estate. And even though it was debt-ridden, he decided to do a number of major renovations to the house. He changed the look of the facade. He also built the servants' tunnel linking the servants' courtyard to the stable courtyard. And he also built the gentleman's study, which now houses our Victorian darkroom. So one of the main changes he made to the facade was he raised the building by 1 story. He took down the Venetian window, which was over the front door, and replaced it with this portico, which you see here now.
Unfortunately, over time, the portico had started to move, or due to subsidence, it was slowly coming down for the last at least 100 years. So the project here is to make it structurally sound. It'll have to be removed, taken down from the house entirely, and then put back up in a much safer and stronger way. About 20 years ago, the balustrades were taken down because it was viewed as being unsafe. They could fall on somebody. They were numbered and put away safely, and the great thing is they're going to go back on. Yet again, another Irish Heritage Trust conservation project for Strokestown House. Bit by bit, we're saving this house, and we're going to make sure it's there for generations to come.